And of course, the hope is the vaccine will be a powerful blow to the virus. And it took thousands of people who were willing to test it. Some of those people were here in Indiana. Caitlin Kendall is digging deeper tonight and spoke with a Fort Wayne man who was among the very first to take a chance and roll up his sleeve.
Brian, every vaccine trial needs volunteers, test subjects, if you will. But what is it like to be a vaccine test pilot? And why would anyone volunteer to do so?
There has been a real push to get these out quickly just because of the global toll of this disease.
The spread of COVID-19 at the top of health officials and many of the public's minds.
There are several 100,000 Americans who are dead of this disease, and we don't really see an end in sight without a safe and effective vaccine.
Allen County Health Commissioner Dr. Matthew Sutter says a vaccine is vital to curb the spread of the virus.
They're an incredibly effective public health tool that I think are under-recognized. We know that vaccines work, but however, we need to test each one to make sure that they're safe and that they're effective.
Testing a vaccine starts with a trial, and with a trial, test pilots.
And it is a gift when they do that. It is really helping science and helping move forward and really helping our community.
There's a chance that I can get it and help out the community.
This is Jesse Dominguez, a test subject for AZD 1222. The AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine.
Thought I wasn't chosen. Next thing you know, I get an email saying that they wanted me.
So what does it look like to be a test subject for a vaccine trial? Dominguez says it was like any doctor visit. He was screened, given a nasal swab for a COVID test, blood work, and paperwork.
Then the vaccine placebo came in, not sure which.
The unknown, something that might make others wary.
The odds are in my favor that I would get the vaccine. And if it was placebo, c'est la vie.
Why do you want to be a human guinea pig for this vaccine?
I was more than ready to get it done.
But it wasn't about the money for Dominguez. The trial paid him $100 to participate. He spent 80 of that just to get to and from Indianapolis. He says it was about helping the community. Dr. Sutter says the AstraZeneca vaccine is different than the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines.
It's actually a virus. It uses a chimp adenovirus as a way to get genetic material into cells to allow the body's immune system to fight off the SARS-CoV-2 virus.
And Dominguez says he doesn't think he got the placebo.
I had a headache, exactly like probably 24 hours. That was it. And then what else? And then I slept all day. That was another one, real fatigued.
AstraZeneca is behind the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines in their trial phases, but Dr. Sutter says it has some benefits, especially for global use. He adds there is a misconception that health experts are giving people COVID-19. He stresses that is not the case. He says they're using another virus, not found in humans, to get the genetic material into cells. Then it makes a specific protein that's found in the virus that causes COVID and allows the body to recognize it and fight it off if you are exposed to it.